Hello, welcome back to my channel, Just Tariana. In today's video, as you can see in the description, I'm going to be making raisin milk cookies. My brain stopped there for a second. So, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need an apron. So let's put it on. So we got it on. This apron's from like a baking kit thingy that I got. There's also a hat. But it doesn't fit me. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, so I have the ingredients and instructions on my phone. Check a picture of them. I'm gonna get it. That's the instructions. Ingredients. Here's the ingredients. Oh, it's probably backward, isn't it? I don't know. Okay, let's see. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay. So over here, we have a bowl. Let's measure one. Let's get our fat bowl. This camera situation is gonna be weird because I'm using a big, bulky iPad. That's all I got. Like, why not use my phone? It's not an actual phone. Let's see this thing. Okay, we got our bowl. We need flour, 1 cup. Okay. This is all of my baking stuff. And over here, we have a drawer of all the things we need. So, gotta get cups. I feel like you guys need to go back more. Here, hold on. I'm glad I can see my hole. Yeah, that works. Okay, 1 cup of flour. I'll get 1 cup. I have no idea how many cookies this recipe makes because, like, I just searched up a recipe. And, like, gotta hopefully trust the process. I've made oatmeal cookies before, but they didn't have, like, raisins in them. And they were, like, burnt. I'm good at cooking. Just the recipe book I was following last time. Clean up as you go, children. Okay, let's see what the next ingredient is. Ooh, wait. Maybe I should be looking at the instructions. Instructions! In a large bowl, mix together flour, cinnamon, and baking soda, and stir in the freaking oats. Okay. So we need half a teaspoon. I don't have teaspoons. They all went missing. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I don't have teaspoons. Like, come. In here, no teaspoons. We have tablespoons. We have itty bitty teaspoons. Okay. Alexa, how many milliliters is half a teaspoon? Are you there?
0.5 teaspoons is about 2.5 milliliters.
Okay. She said 2.5 milliliters is half a teaspoon. Oh, this is a shaker. We'll just put it in the lid. It's gonna take a while.
2,000 years later. 1 eternity later.
Yeah, there you go. That's about enough. Okay, a baking soda. 1/4 a teaspoon. I do have 1/4 a teaspoon. Yeah, this is 1/4 teaspoon. Baking soda. If you want to follow this recipe, you can. I'm not gonna put no link in the description of the ingredients. You can just follow this one. 'Cause I'll tell you the measurements. So far, it's been 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon cinnamon, and now we're doing 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. I feel like this is only gonna make like 10, 12 cookies, a dozen cookies. Okay. I'm actually pretty fast. So I think the step was in a large bowl of mixed flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and old-fashioned rolled oats. Okay, my oats are in that cabinet over there. Yes, my oats are in a bag. Ugh, my apron's coming undone. And we're back. Putting oats in there. How many cups? 1.5 cups of oats. Okay, still got my 1 cup. Now I gotta get a half. Making double chin. Where are my scissors? My cooking scissors. My apron's coming undone again. I'm just a big bag. I can't. Dude, what was that? Hold on. We're having problems. It was just pasta falling. Oh my gosh. That came out way faster. So 1. Ew, there's a bug. Ew! I have to dry this out. No. We'll do a little extra. Ugh. I'm disgusted I make like this. It's not in there. Okay, let's put the oats in another bag. Set that aside. Okay, let's see. Oats. And oh yeah, I gotta whisk it together. Let me get my whisk. This is actually I can't talk today. This is actually a whisk attachment because I don't have an actual whisk. Mine broke. Let's whisk it together, children. Oh, I can't see. That's the best you can really see it. Sorry, I have fruit flies all over my kitchen because they just love our house.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
They keep making children in our sink. Oh.
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that?
Okay. This is how we're looking, people. This is how we're looking. Real crusty and dry. But that should get better. So now we got our stuff. Our dry ingredients. I need another bowl. I'm gonna be mixing the wet ingredients now. In a bowl of a standard mixer fitted with paddle, 2 large, a hand mixer. Beat the butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar for 1 to 2 minutes. So, and normal sugar. Half a cup of light brown sugar. I have to wash this because it was used on oats. Half a cup. Gotta make sure. Double checking. Half a cup. Oh, and also half a cup of butter. How much? Let's see, it should show on here. 2 sticks equals 1 cup. So 1 stick is half a cup. Yeah. Oh, but it's not soft. We'll put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. This has been out for like 10 minutes. Ugh, that's not even probably long enough. Taking you with me. Here's my microwave. 100 watts. The butter is in. Oh, my butter is actually soft.
Butter.
The butter is soft. Shut the microwave. Okay, the butter is nice and soft now. Dude, get in there. Dude doesn't want to go in there.
A few moments later.
We got butter. Ow. Why is the basket so sharp? I know. Half a cup brown sugar. Get the butter down there. Brown sugar smells so good. And it's like nice and thick, like a brownie. Brown sugar. Got some on my finger. Okay, next I think it's the same amount for normal sugar, right? Yeah, normal sugar. I don't know why they call it granulated. What is it, old crusty granny? No, this is flour. Where's my sugar? Sugar. This is gonna take a bit. Found my sugar. It was hiding from me.
Oh, okay.
I'm a granny. I'm granulated sugar. Don't lose me. That means just a little sprinkle extra. Because I want to have a sugar crash. Come on. Dude, the amount of times in this video I probably made a double chin. Maybe I'll make a double chin count. It won't close. Just leave it. Look at that later. Okay, okie dokie children, or whoever is watching. Got my electric hand mixer. What accent was that? Why is everything being lost? Where are my mixers? Did you take them?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Dude. There they are. Found them. I'm safe. Never fruit fly. Let me just smash it. Smash it a bit first. Wish there's like an angle I could put the iPad so you could see what I'm doing. But there isn't. Dude. All the butter is stuck. That sucks. Okay, I hope it doesn't fall. Why is the butter so dry? It was so freaking smooth. I'm just gonna pop this in the microwave for 10 seconds. I hope that isn't illegal. It's just sugar and butter. It'll be fun, right? Butter's fine. It's a little softer, I think. Back to mixing. That's how it should look. I feel like I keep speaking in accents. Country accent. Okay, here's how it's looking. It's looking kind of creamy. But we still gotta add an egg. One egg. Just one egg. It's supposed to be room temperature, but it's still cold. It's been sitting out for like 30 minutes at this point. I don't know. I'm not that good at cracking eggs. This is plastic. I have to use the counter. Please don't have no eggshells. Okay, there's no eggshells. Hallelujah. I gotta wash my hands. I hate eggs on my hands. What's burnt in here? I have the oven on. There's nothing in the oven. It's kind of smoky in there. Oh my lord. You saw that, right? There's like a puff of smoke in my oven. My oven's really old. I live in an apartment. This whole freaking apartment's falling apart. The oven's who knows how many freaking decades old it is. Oh. Gosh. Hopefully I make it through this video. Ah, now she looks even creamier. Here she is. How is this? I feel like these cookies are gonna be dry. Okay, let's see what the next step is. My apron is still falling off. Let's see. All there is vanilla and raisins. No. Instructions. Need instructions. Oh, 350. Okay, yeah, it's on 350. It's so smoky in here, I can't think. Well combined. Add egg and vanilla. I love vanilla extract. It's so good. Makes everything taste just so much better. Wait, how much vanilla extract? I can't talk. 1 teaspoon. Don't have teaspoons. Alexa, how many milliliters is a teaspoon?
1 teaspoon is about 4.9 milliliters.
4.9? I was just do 5. Yes, queen, yes. This looks like... She needed that. Okay, I always add a little extra. You want this to be extra vanilla-y. Vanilla never goes too far. This is such a good vanilla. I don't know what brand it's by though. I can't read it. Back to mixing. That's what I'm gonna do. But I don't want to get same vanilla. Okay, it looks the same, honestly. What is that noise? I don't know. Now what? Now what are we doing? I don't know why I do that. I just look at you guys and go with my creepy teeth. Add egg, add vanilla extract, and mix until fully combined. Scooping the crap. Scooping to scrape down the size of the bowl as needed. Add the dry ingredients. Continue mixing until combined. Okay. So I just add this stuff now into this stuff into this stuff. And hopefully you guys enjoy them, even though I don't get that many views and only have 9 subscribers. Please subscribe. Please, if you're watching this, just subscribe. I promise you in the future I'm going to be making fun videos, like really fun videos, and the quality is just going to go up. Okay. What ingredients are in? What do I do now? Alright, what ingredients and combined. Mixing on low speed. So we're supposed to use this? Usually you just use a spatula. Okay. I don't trust this. Maybe I should do a spatula then do the mixer if I need. See when it's all mixed. Okay, so for most of it, it's mostly mixed. Here's what it looks like. We still need to add raisins. So let's see how many cups of that we need. 1 cup of raisins. Wow. I feel like that's a lot. Raisins. I don't like raisins. They're just good in cookies though. Finally! These raisins look suspicious. This one's got a hole in it. These raisins look kind of suspicious.
That's suspicious.
One cup. Oh! Don't want any suspicious raisins in here. I feel like 1 cup is a lot. That's dough. This dough's already dry. Oopsies. Raisins. Basically mixing in chocolate chips. Gotta fold it. But we're mixing in raisins. You still gotta fold it. Turn, fold, turn, fold, turn, and fold, turn, and fold. Okay, here is what our dough looks like with the raisins. Now I'm going to clean up my workspace. Oops. I'm going to clean up my workspace area and put these cookies on a pan. You guys can watch me clean. Let's get into the cleaning. So this is half my workspace area. Messy. Then if I turn it on, then there's this side. And so, yeah, we gotta clean. So let's just speed this up. So now that our work area is clean, we have this pan, the batter, And I need to line. Here, I have to line the pan with our pre-cut cookie sheet paper. I have to wash my hands, so let's go to the sink. Yes. Okay, now that my cookies are done being rolled into balls, I'm cooking 6 at a time. So I do think there's probably gonna be like 12, maybe a couple extra ones. So while that, I'm gonna put these in the fridge while those ones are gonna be cooking. Hopefully it doesn't fall because my fridge is stuffed. Okay, let's go to the oven. This is kind of hard. You gotta be skilled to hold a freaking iPad and get cookies. Okay, and go the cookies. Okay, cookies are cooking. Gotta set a timer. 10. We'll just start out 10 minutes. Maybe 11. Okay. Now so the kitchen, I picked it up, but I still have to wash the dishes and like wipe down the counter. So let's clean the kitchen while we wait for the cookies to cook. Done cleaning the kitchen. The cookies have like a couple of minutes left. They don't look cooked. Here, let me just show you. Like, does that look like they're done to you? Oh, my oven's so dirty. I feel like I can use it a little longer. I knew I should have flattened them. Yeah, keep it on 5 minutes. Okay, let's go see what my bunnies are doing. Benny! Benny! Hi there! Hi, Snowball! Hi there! What do you want? Oh, you're so cute! What's your good bunny? Okay. Our first batch of cookies are done. Let's add another one. Okay, let's put them in the oven. Now we just have to wait for the cookies to be done. See when they're cooked. And the last batch of cookies are finally done. And it made 12 exact cookies. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope you liked the video. Bye.